Okay, shit. All right, here we go. We are going to make a Philly cheesesteak omelet. Some butter in our cast iron skillet. Keep that sizzle going. That's what we like to hear. I've got some beef that I sliced up thin. This was some very lean chuck shoulder that I marinated overnight. I didn't make my own marinade for this. This is just a like a regular store-bought marinade. It was actually a mix of some carne asada seasoning and a mesquite flavored seasoning from McCormick. So I mixed those together, and that's what we marinated this in. So we do have a little bit of a mesquite smell going right now. Fresh black pepper. I didn't add any salt to that meat because it was already marinated and that marinade had plenty of salt. I only added black pepper, but I am going to add some salt and pepper. You can do that to taste on the veggie aspect of this part. Once we get all these sauteed up and everything is cooked all the way through, we're going to pull that off. And then we will make the second part of this video where we actually put some omelets together with this. I came up with this idea all on my own. I'm sure there were other people that, sorry about the phone ringing, I'm sure there were other people that have done this too, but I've never seen it before. Yeah, we'll see how this turns out. Good. All right. So we got to put this thing together. I got two really big eggs here. One of them was a jumbo. One of them was an extra large. I'm going to use my cast iron skillet. We'll see how good I am today about using my cast iron to make a little omelet here. Put some half and half in there. Butter in a hot pan. I know some people would not put half and half in there, but I like mine like that. I think it's, you know, I wouldn't put water in there, but a little half and half tends to lighten it up just a little bit to me. I like to really, really whip it up good when you're doing an omelet. I'm not French, so be easy on me, folks. I'll do my best to do it properly. All the chefs are going to be giving me shit, I know, but that's all right. Doubt too many chefs are going to see this. fresh pepper. The fresh pepper. Just kind of rolling that along, pulling it, trying not to touch the bottom of the pan. Because if you do, she's probably going to try to stick if you don't have a really good seasoned pan. I do. Hopefully mine will not. We'll find out. Add a little bit of your sausage, peppers, and onions. Trying not to scorch that egg too much down there. Since this is my attempt at doing a Philly cheesesteak omelet, we're going to use some American sharp cheddar slices. And that's going to be, similar to a Whit Whiz. But Cheese Whiz is expensive. Is all get out for some processed cheese food, folks. So we're putting that on there. We don't want your eggs overcooked, but you want them cooked. Of course, that's a little brown. Sorry about that, folks. You're going to get that sometimes on those big jobs. At least that's what I always heard. Some fresh black pepper on top. Sorry about a little bit of browning, but that's hard to get just right in the cast iron. But did my best. Hope you all enjoy it. You can use a non-stick. You won't have so much trouble. Thanks.